Hello 12th class students. Today in this video we will learn about the properties and compounds of the chlorine, the second member of the halogen family. So students, first of all we discuss about the physical properties of chlorine. We have studied that chlorine is always found in the Cl2 molecule in the form of Cl2 molecule. Students, if we talk about its physical property, then first of all its color is greenish yellow and it is normally found in gaseous state. So first thing is color greenish yellow and found in the form of gas. Second thing, it has a pungent and very sharp smell. It is very sharp smelling substance. Its smell is second thing, smell very pungent smell. Third thing, its property, its nature. Then students, remember the chlorine gas is highly poisonous gas. It may cause death. It has adverse effect on the respiratory system. If it inhale in the large amount, it may cause death. It causes sneezing and coughing in the respiratory tract. So third is it is highly poisonous. Fourth thing, if we talk about its solubility, then it is sparingly soluble in water. That means it dissolves very little in the water. So small dissoluble in water. Soluble in water but sparingly. That means in very small amount, and whenever we heat the water, then it liberates, its solubility is decreases while increasing the temperature of the water. When it dissolves in the water, then chlorine hydrate is formed and its formula is Cl2.NH2O, because the number of the water molecules are not fixed in this case. So students, water here it may be 7, 8 or 10. So it forms the chlorine hydrates. These all are the physical properties of the chlorine. Now we will see the chemical properties of the chlorine, that how it behaves in the chemical manner. Now students, let's see the chemical properties of chlorine. In chemical property, students, the very first property is burning of chlorine. So students, in the property of the burning, chlorine does not burn itself, but for some element it helps in burning, and in burning it combines with that elements. For example, let's see here the first property, it do not burn but helps in burning. See the first reaction, when it helps the burning in the copper, then it forms copper chloride. How the reaction takes place? See, when copper burns and combines with the chlorine, then CuCl2 CuCl2 is formed. And when burning of sodium takes place in presence of the chlorine, then see Na2 plus Cl2 or two molecule or two atom of Na burns with Cl2, then two molecules of NaCl, that is common salt, are formed. In this way it helps in the burning. Second property, students, is reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. It readily reacts with hydrogen. It is very easily reactive with hydrogen in presence of the sunlight and forms hydrochloric acid molecule. Let's see how the reaction takes place. When chlorine reacts with hydrogen, but this reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight, then two molecules of HCl are produced. Third property, students, a reaction with water. We have seen that when it reacts with the water, then it combines with the hydrogen present in the water and form the hydrochloric acid in the same way. Third property, reaction with water. In the reaction of the water, two molecules of chlorine reacts with two molecules of water, H2O, and this reaction is also, students, takes place in the presence of sunlight. Then 2 to the 4 and 4 molecule of hydrochloric acid are formed along with the elimination of one molecule of oxygen gas. This is the reaction of chlorine with water molecule. Next property, students, it reaction with dry slacked lime. Slacked lime, the chemical formula of slacked lime is CaOH whole twice, and when this dry slacked lime reacts with chlorine, then, students, calcium chloro hypochloride, that is CaOCl, and then again Cl is formed. Let's see its reaction. Next property is a reaction with dry slacked lime. And the chemical formula of dry slacked lime is CaOH whole twice, or we can say calcium hydroxide also. Its reaction is, students, when CaOH whole twice combines with Cl2, then formation of CaOCl and again Cl plus formation of water molecule, that is H2O, takes place, and the name of CaOCl Cl2 is calcium chlorohypochloride. Calcium chlorohypochloride. This is the reaction of chlorine with dry slacked lime. Next is, students, its oxidation property. Oxidation property of the chlorine. Chlorine is a strong oxidizing agent. Let's see its oxidizing or oxidation reactions. Chlorine oxidizes many compounds just like it oxidizes the ferrous salt into ferric salt, sulfur dioxide into sulfuric acid H2SO4. Let's see their reaction. Next property is, students, oxidation property. So, first of all, if we see its reaction with the ferrous salt, then it converts it into ferric salt. Let's see how this reaction takes place. When the two molecule of FeCl2 combines with Cl2, then it forms two molecule of FeCl3 from ferrous chloride to ferric chloride. Second, when it reacts with the sulfur dioxide in presence of the water, then it produces sulfuric acid H2SO4. Let's see. Sulfur dioxide plus 2 molecule of H2O plus chlorine. When they combine together, then they form H2SO4 sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid HCl. Then H2SO4 plus 2 molecule of HCl are produces. In this way, students, the chlorine oxidizes many compounds to form their other compounds. Next property is, students, its bleaching property. Chlorine is a strongly bleaching agent. It strongly decolorizes the substances. Bleaching, that means which degrades the color of the substances. You have heard the name of the bleaching powder. The chemical formula of the bleaching powder is CaOCl2, or in general we also call it calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. So here you can see that in bleaching powder also chlorine is present, and the main function of the bleaching powder is to bleach the substances to reduce their color. So, let's see its bleaching property. Next property is bleaching of the substances. When we see its a reaction, then first of all the chlorine combines with water to produce nascent oxygen, that is oxygen atom. Let's see how. When Cl2 combines with H2O, then this Cl2 readily combined with H2 to form HCl. Here 2 molecule of HCl are produced along with the production of 1 molecule of nascent oxygen. And students, this nascent oxygen is highly unstable, and with the colored substance, this nascent oxygen combines and decolorize them. It reduces their color and convert them into colorless substances. So, this is the bleaching action of the chlorine. Next is, students, it's a reaction with the halides. Now, what is the meaning of halide? We have seen in the beginning that when hydrogen is combines with the halogen, here the chlorine itself is a halogen. But when it reacts with other halides like the bromine and iodine. As we know that chlorine is a strong electronegative substances, it replaces, or you can say it displaces the bromine and iodine from their halides and produces bromine and iodine respectively. Let's see its reaction. So the next property is reaction with halides. Reaction of chlorine with halides. It only replaces, students, or chlorine only replaces the halogens which are less electronegative than the chlorine, and they are mainly bromine and iodine. So when two molecules of potassium bromide or KBr are made to react with chlorine, then these two molecules of chlorine get combined with potassium and form 2 KCl along with the production of Br2 molecule. Bromine is produced. Second, when it reacts with the halides of the iodine like potassium iodide, then it replaces iodine also. In the same way, when 2Ki potassium iodide made to react with the chlorine, then two molecules of KCl produce along with the production of the iodine. They make the halides separate from them. So this is the reaction with the halides. Next is, students, the reaction of chlorine with ammonia. So when chlorine made to react with ammonia, then it produces ammonium chloride. But in this reaction, students, there is excess of the ammonia is needed. So here reaction of chlorine with ammonia, or we can say NH3. So let's see its reaction, that what is the reaction of chlorine with ammonia. First of all, excess amount. So we will take 8 molecules of NH3 with the 3 molecule of Cl2. Then I told you that ammonium chloride is formed. NH4Cl, 6 molecule of NH4Cl along with the production of nitrogen gas takes place. This equation is balanced. So here it is the ammonium chloride. Now students, let's see the main uses of the chlorine. So in its uses, students, the very first use is to prepare many day-to-day life used chemical like bleaching powder, chlorates, chloroform, which is widely used in the medical sciences, etc. Uses of Cl2. The very first use is in formation of chlorates, chemicals used in medicines, bleaching powder, it is also used in formation of the chloroform and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, etc., which are widely used in our day-to-day life. Second use of the chlorine is, students, that it is used in bleaching of the paper industries, as a bleaching agent in paper industries as well as in the cloth industries, because in order to recycling the paper, it is very necessary to bleach or decolorize them. So second, in bleaching of paper and clothes. Third, its most important use is, students, it is used in the purification of the oil, that is our petroleum, as well as in the purification of the gold also. So third use is in purification of gold and oil. Next, fourth use of the chlorine is that it is very most important use, that it is used as insecticides. It used to kill many types of the insects. So fourth is, it is used as insecticide. So students, these are the major use. Another use of the chlorine is that it is used to prepare many poisonous gases like phosgene, mustard gas, etc. So its fifth use is used in formation of phosgene gas. And students, chemical formula of phosgene is COCl2. COCl2. Second is mustard gas, and the chemical formula of mustard gas is C2H4Cl and whole twice sulfur. So these are the major poisonous gases which are formed by the use of chlorine. So students, this is all about the physical, chemical properties of the chlorine as well as the uses of chlorine.